Late na nagising. It's already 11. Actually, nagising ako ng kanina just to take my medicines at sinabayan ko si Mrs. na mag-almusal. That was around 7 a.m. Kasi, naman, the medicines kailangan i-take at 8 or before 8. Pagising-gising kasi ako kagabi, nahirapan makatulog balik. And I think that was 2 and then nakatulog ako around 5 na. So, ito, balik tulog din after the breakfast. Kaya ito, kaabot ng 11 a.m. September 11. Kaya, sige, siguro naman pwede nang makatayo. Of course, tayo na tayo. And prepare for lunch. Iinitin na lang din naman. Iinitin na lang din naman yung ating lunch. Well, ano bang pakiramdam today? As usual. But I thank God na nagising. Na? Sabi na nga, new day, new morning, new life, new hope.